Assalamu alaikum. Now I am show you how to disable commerce account from your page or how to delete commerce account from your page. For that, at first we need to go Facebook Business Manager account. We just search on Google Facebook Business Manager account, then click on the first link, that is the official Business Manager account. And after coming here, you need to click on settings. When you click settings, after that you can see here there are a lot of options, but you need to just click on commerce account. Here we click here. Now you can see there are 3 commerce account in my profile right now. I just want to disable or delete health supply this page from the commerce manager account. So I just select it, click here, and look at the top corner. So open in commerce manager, click here. After clicking here, you need to just wait some time, and this page is opening in the commerce manager account. After that you need to click on settings option. So click on settings, and here you can see the edit option, commerce account info and edit. Click on edit, and finally you can see here deactive commerce account. So click here, enter your password, enter your Facebook password here, and click on confirm button. Select a reason for deactive. You can select anyone from them. So I am choosing my business. So finally click on deactivate account. Wait some time, and that's it. Hope you can now delete your commerce manager account from your Facebook page. So thank you so much for watching this video.